Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Please subscribe. I post daily yoga videos. This will be a short, energizing flow for beginners. All levels are welcome. No props needed. Begin standing at the top of your mat. Bring the palms to touch. Stand tall. Stand evenly between both feet. Bring your awareness to the present moment, to the breath. Arrive. Inhale, reach the arms wide and overhead. Look up, reach up, and open up your arms, cactus arms. Reach up again. Bring the palms to touch. Exhale, forward fold. Halfway lift, long flat back. From here, bend the knees and step it back to a plank pose. Pull in the core, press the mat away. Lower your knees to the mat if you need to. Chaturanga, lower down halfway. Inhale, upward facing dog. Press the tops of the feet down, shoulders away from the ears, pull the chest through. On an exhale, tuck the toes, go back to downward facing dog. Reach the right leg back and up, foot is flexed, hips are square to the mat. Lift a little bit higher, squeeze the right glute. And step your right foot up between the hands. Warrior one. Set the back foot down. It is flat, 45-degree angle, so the heel's a little bit closer to the back edge of the mat. Square your hips to the top, arms overhead, bend the right knee. Warrior one. Bring your hands down to the mat. Tuck the back toes and lift the knee. We're in a lunge. Right knee over the right ankle. Inhale, lower the left knee. Draw the shoulders back. Long exhale, pyramid pose. Try to straighten both legs. Lunge. Lunge twist, left hand down. Right arm opens up. Right hand down. Press off the back foot and forward fold at the top of your mat. Knees are soft. Press to stand. Arms overhead. Reach up, lift up. Cactus the arms open. Keep your gaze lifted. Shoulders draw together. And reach up, look up. Forward fold. Halfway lift, inhale. From here, set your hands down, plank pose. A moment of strength. Remember, these all add up a little at a time. Pull in the core. Chaturanga, knees up or down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg back and up, foot flexed, hips pointing or square to the mat. Reach a little bit higher, squeeze the left glute. Step the left foot up between your hands, warrior one. Back foot is flat. You can separate your feet a little bit, train track them. Arms overhead, palms face each other. Press and bring the biceps back by the ears. Float your hands down to the mat in a lunge. Lift, transition to the toes of the back foot, left knee over the ankle. Inhale, lower the right knee, draw the shoulders back. Long exhale, try to press both legs straight. Lunge, leave the back knee lifted. Lunge twist, right hand down. Left arm opens. Left hand down. Step to the top of the mat, relax. Over both legs, find a little extra reach. Bend the knees, sit back, Utkatasana, chair pose, awkward pose. Look down, wiggle, make sure you can see your toes. Lengthen the fingertips away from the tailbone, pull in the core. Press to stand, leave your arms overhead. Reach up, lift up, one more breath in. Long exhale, hands lower down to heart center. Connect to the present moment, connect to your breath. Gratitude for your practice. I am so grateful for your presence. Please let me know if you enjoyed this video with a like, a comment, a subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Namaste. 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 Ooh, my shoulders are sore.